Look at this train of cars, boys.
Here's my tapeworm.
These guys aren't gonna pull out here.
I already did.
Oh! Oh, it's alright, it's alright.
Almost jinxed it.
Jesus.
You have a tire down?
Dude, he looked like he was going dead straight into the
Yeah,
wall.
no, I thought he was... I didn't look too good.
Fox didn't even show anything happening.
How long?
Oh!
Whoa,
Nice.
what a shock.
Please no
That's
yellow.
fine. We can stay green. We can stay green.
Holy shit.
It's who is this?
This thing isn't even moving.
She didn't make the
Dean
race.
Thompson.
He is
Yeah, that's a-
damaged.
that's
Where
a
did the
waste.
damage come from?
That's the truck that the 51 drilled
Can we
coming
see
out
the
of
fucking
out of
pack,
his pit
please?
box.
Oh my
Yeah,
god, can we
let's
see
watch
them?
it.
I don't know
Fox.
if it...
Oh my god.
That was half the
Twisted.
lap. That was half the lap.
Here we go. Here we go. Can we Can have
they
a
do
it?
camera
This is something that we're going to be able to see at the end of the race.
There you go. Block him. Yeah.
Wow.
Here comes Crafton. Crafton. Matt
Get
Crafton.
the suck.
Gonna try to
Suck
stop
off his lap car.
You gotta
Side draft him.
get
Side
him.
draft
He's
him.
gonna get him.
Christian.
John Hunter Nemechek.
Attaboy, John.
Wow.
Look at that. Look
Bad
at that.
mopping on the lead lap.
Guess who's staying on the lead lap?
Oh my god, the 32 truck.
Oh yeah, fucking right home spun out.
Oh.
Oh, and there's a tire.
Oh, Brett
Lord,
Holmes.
dude.
Oh my
NASCAR is
goodness.
always
That's
What
not
the fuck?
right. Something's wrong there.
What the fuck? He just.
Tim Vane's
Yeah.
cousin, Tom Arteries.
Hey, commercial. Let's go.
Probably shouldn't say.
Can we get
are
a
you
side by side?
Yeah, there it
The
is.
moon's orange again.
Can we get a
I
side
don't-
by side?
I don't
Yeah, there's
celebrate
the
it.
moon.
Yeah, with that and the moon.
It'll be
Yeah, I
funny.
love
they
the
just,
side
like,
by side coverage of the race.
I hope they
Take
don't
it
show
off.
the race. And they
Dude,
just show
they're
all the
actually
kids
just
in
showing
there.
the moon. Oh my god, I was kidding.
What happens if one day the Fox camera zooms all the way into the moon and then it just fucking explodes?
God, I hope so.
I think it's a little bit low.
Woo!
Oh!
Oh wow.
That
Who
was-
said it was? Who
Damn,
said it was
time
Time
to
Majeski's night?
It's time of Jesse's night. It feels like a time
I
of
think it
Jesse's
feels like
night.
a time of Jusky night.
Well, the 38's got to like where he's riding. He is currently sitting P2.
Oh. Record in the back.
Wow.
Oh,
Oh,
brother.
Austin Hindley
Goddamn.
lap.
Oh, wait, who is- Oh no, not Jack me off wood.
Good.
Something, bro.
Yeah, traction.
Well, Kurt's good. He's not farting in the booth either, which is great.
That's funny, Anthony. Keep it up.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, that's the.
Oh, there he goes.
Man, that's
Man.
fucking weird.
That sucks, man. Is it a
really
track
unfortunate.
bar or something? That
This
is
is-
unbelievable.
This is feeling
I don't like
dangerous.
it.
This
I don't
is
like
feeling
it.
really dangerous.
I don't like it.
You guys gotta hit some fate.
What?
So
Who?
what now?
That's
Hey, Lawless is backing out
Yeah,
of it.
yeah,
He's
dude, just
smart
give him
right
the middle.
here.
Lawless can
Look at
see
the
the air.
pack. Look at the pack in the back, dude.
Gonna wreck trying to sidetrack the back.
Why is Matt Crafton stopping?
He does this every race. He like hits the e-brake the first 90 laps and then gets wrecked in the last lap.
He's breaking the pack in two.
Yeah. Maybe that's the plan.
He'll fuck everybody
Look at-
up.
Lawless Allen is a fucking genius.
God, you're so right. It hurts.
Oh.
Oh!
It's funny watching all the trucks behind them wiggle at the same time. Trying to-
Alright, you're okay.
This is like
John
real
Hunter
C6
shitting
hours
this
now.
one.
We're gonna
Gotta have a
wreck.
lot of energy to get dissipated here in this big one. Come on, Blaine.
Oh no.
Oh, okay.
Let's
we're
not
not
show
gonna-
it. Oh, we're
Sorry,
going to
they got
commercial.
We're
Hell
gonna-
yeah.
we're
We're not
Damn
going to
it.
commercial
We're
right
going
now.
to
We're not
commercial.
going. Bro, can you wait?
Dude, if it's full screen, I'm going to scream.
It's gonna be
So
full
will
screen.
we.
man.
Oh, no.
Oh, thank God.
Show us the moon again.
Oh, dude, this is my favorite commercial.
This commercial is kind of funny. Oh wait, no, this isn't the funny one.
Look, they're drawing on the fucking telestrator.
Mm.
It's
Another
track.
tweet to NASCAR. Oh, he did it Fox. again.
Oh, dude, that 94 needs to go.
It's moon time.
Literally.
Literally iRacing thing.
Yeah, show the moon.
Yeah, he's buying his time.
Sorry, I can't see your eyes.
Why does he do that
Oh
every
my
corner?
God.
See
Get
yours.
him
dude.
out of here.
Yeah,
there you
they
go.
fuck it.
We need a wreck.
All
Here
that
comes
type
the
of shit.
tap. Oh!
Oh my
Wow.
gosh.
You get good wages. You know,
Well, there was the top.
Well, they're about to.
Save.
22's
Washing up.
loose.
Yep, good.
Just get the fucking twisters off the screen.
Completely plaster the screen in circles so we can actually. Oh, they're wrecking.
Caution.
Yellow?
Oh,
Oh,
God.
this fucking guy.
Dude.
Get him out of
Oh!
The wheel.
here! Get him out of here! All right, I can go put shrimps in the oven. I'll be right back.
Shrimps.
Who puts shrimp in the oven?
That's what the instructions say. I don't have a fryer.
What is it? Shrimp poppers?
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm not saying anything. I
Oh.
love shrimp.
Don't crash
Popcorn
the oven.
All right.
Dude.
Why is he so stiff? Drove all over the fucking grass. Oh, they're right there.
Oh!
Reckon in
Oh, he
the
saved
back?
it. Come on, don't.
Oh, that's
Oh.
two bars.
Oh, man.
Oh.
3
Oh,
bars.
it's the slow one.
What the hell was that?
He's still
There
talking.
you go.
A bunch of the
Oh, great. Now we
losers
just pushed
got
the
it.
wreck back 5 minutes.
Yeah, well, I had to pee anyway.
I feel a red flag coming.
Man,
I'm
I feel
talking
it.
about the big one, but when there's the sport ender, we're gonna call it the last one.
Oh my god, a sport ender. A sport ender would be a car like
In the grandstands.
no, getting like flung up in the air down pit road and wiping out 30 pit boxes.
Oh,
I don't think if we sent a car in the grandstands, it would end the sport. I'm gonna be honest.
if it squashed like 20 people?
I don't think so, dude. No way.
That would bring some eyeballs for next week, though.
I think it would. I think it would stop vehicles from going to this track.
Normal
What's his face at Watkins Glen? Was it JD McGuffey? McDuffie,
Yeah.
what's his name? McDuffie?
Yeah.
When he died, they were like, yeah, he's dead. All right, we're back racing.
Daylight
Nice.
between the bumpers.
Nice
Here,
block.
here comes Richard Petty on the
Let's go.
outside. You see him?
Come
You
on,
just see
Park.
daylight between them ribs.
Parker's definitely tandeming here. Like that's.
Good eyes,
Do
Anthony.
they still have the rule?
I mean, that was the entire back
know.
straightaway.
Do they still have the
I don't know.
rule?
I
Yeah.
think so,
So,
yeah.
Never got rid of it.
That's
Yeah, but I don't think that
was
was a truck series rule.
Kind of like they never got rid of the don't get out of your
Well,
car rule.
I think they like Parker Kligerman, so I don't think they're gonna enforce it.
so dumb.
When, Brad
Oh,
It
you
is
can't
dumb.
push in trucks and
Yeah,
Xfinity.
wait, we're gonna wreck everybody. Guess what's gonna happen
You
anyway?
can push in the one series
Look at
we have.
Wallace Allen.
Let's go, Timmy.
Where is Lawless Allen? Oh, he's starting his own lane.
Pushing
What's
is
Timmy?
fine in the series we're concerned about parts, but everything
Dude.
else no.
Yeah, Lawless is a trailblazer, yo. He's gonna Pied Piper.
Oh, wow.
Come on now, hold on
God.
to her.
I
Oh,
promise, if they wreck for 28
go.
again,
I'm about to wreck for the lead.
Look at the
We got a 3
twinsies.
truck push.
Thor Sports about to go out of business with this wreck right here.
It's about to be a company ender.
I like how Matt
There's about
Benedetto
to be a
just fucking
foreclosure
sucks,
wreck.
man. He's done nothing this whole
I mean,
race.
I don't know where he is.
He's in
I mean,
29th.
Dude, they're gonna wreck.
Fucking
Like,
loser.
it's...
Yo,
Have you ever
chapter
had a
11,
team-
here we come.
When was the last team to declare bankruptcy
Chapter
from a single
11.
accident?
I'm pretty sure you have to pay back Chapter 11.
Oh no, we're gonna find out on Sunday when all
They're
4
gonna-
head cars are in the same wreck.
Swan racing.
That's true.
Yeah.
Oh god, Parker Kligerman was on that team. I don't think these top 3 are gonna move, man.
Grafton's
The
gonna
next
be
few
in
laps.
No, because they're all stinky
The top two
Toyotas.
definitely are.
The top is rolling though, yeah.
The top is not
Crafton will
rolling.
quit being fucking
Oh no,
smelly.
Austin, wait.
Matt Crafton sees it coming. He sees
Oh,
the career ender.
God.
Yeah. Come on,
He's
Austin.
just gonna wait.
oh, we can't do
Oh
that.
my
That
god.
was some indecisiveness.
He went below the yellow line to avoid a side draft. What a guy.
To be fair, the 18 shoved him under the line.
Just
Come
keep it
on,
lined up.
fucking
Don't need
do
to go too
something.
hard.
Oh
Go.
god, do you see the fans have
Top
moved
is-
down to the bottom of the grandstands? Oh no.
They're out of
Oh no.
They're in the splash zone.
That takes a
Yo,
special kind
can
of
we get
person.
off the onboard? What are we doing?
Man, that takes a special kind of person to go to the bottom of the grandstands at a super speedway with 5 laps to go.
Yeah, nothing more I want to see than Riley Herbst.
Yeah, I want to get
Come on
closer
for
to
an entire
this.
lap. Let's fucking see the pack.
Where's the crotch cam?
Get off
Fucking-
this
We
shot!
gotta
use
send him,
your
send him to the front lines for the Russian war.
It is time.
Oh, the
oh,
there
oh,
it goes.
Oh, we can't be doing this, bro.
What are we doing?
What the
They
fuck?
saved it.
You absolutely cannot do that.
There, he's,
Oh,
He's
no,
yep.
gonna turn him here.
Here comes the flaccid
Oh, there
corner
we
wreck.
go.
Dude,
God.
Ben
What
Rose
are we
is the
This
service
is
thing
How
with
did
this
they
is the
not wreck?
best
How
truck
did they
racing
not
I've
wreck?
ever seen.
Doing?
I can't believe they didn't wreck.
Dude,
Dude.
Penalized.
These
Ben
are-
Rose got fucking yeeted.
This
Dude,
is
Chris
the
Atkins
most
said, "Fuck
talented
this
truck
guy."
field in the history of
Uh-oh,
trucks.
look at
Doing
Austin
self?
They just
Get him outta
outsmarted
here.
themselves, the front two. They're just like, oh, hot top's rolling, let's get into the top.
Bro,
Yeah.
Like,
Oh,
God.
Go with it,
this ain't
baby.
no stupid.
Ooh,
Matt
what's that?
Crafton, what are you doing, guy?
Oh,
Nothing
Richard
but
Petty's
tears ahead, boys.
Oh, I don't like
Oh
it.
my god, look at that. Look at that. That is 3 wide.
And by that I mean I love it.
Would you just look at it?
Look at that. That is 3 wide.
There's a trash bag.
Look at
Come on,
it.
come on,
Look
Blaine
at it.
Perkins.
Bro, Timmy Hill, I think the whole second pack put the e-brake on. And they saw
Oh!
that.
This really feels like Blaine Perkins' night.
Stop.
I don't know
You're gonna
about
be
you guys,
laughing
but this
in
is
3
really
minutes
starting to
when
feel like
Blaine
his.
Perkins
uh,
wins.
I don't know about
Alright.
you guys, but this is really starting to feel like a Zane Smith kind of night.
This is really feeling like
wheel.
a Zane Smith. I already said that.
The wreck's gonna.
Oh, what
are
the
we
hell?
doing?
They're in the wall.
Yeah, here we
What
go.
was that?
This is starting to feel like a Christian Eckes kind of night.
Get off the track, buddy. Yes.
Yeah.
Probably had a
The wreck's
flat.
gonna be on the white flag in turn 1. It's gonna end the race.
This is if they don't wreck all these cars, man. I'm honestly impressed.
Is the 17, 15,
Oh, here we go, here we
Oh
go.
my lord,
no.
dude, you
Oh,
can't
never
do
mind.
that.
Never mind. They didn't know what they were doing.
Oh!
Parker.
Oh, we're getting spicy. Oh, we're getting spicy.
Ben Rhodes is gonna be leading this outside. They're gonna be hooked up.
Hey,
here.
there's Lawless.
Oh, here we go,
That-
boys.
they
About to
just
rip that
6 is
fence
gonna
apart.
pull away
Wallace
now.
is about to be fucking.
Zoom out! What are you doing? Zoom the camera out.
Wallace!
Go, Lawless.
I'm gonna
It's
be
like
so
half
butthurt
these
they
guys are
weren't.
being driven by their spotter and not even thinking.
Oh, Daytona's
Dude,
maintenance
if
budget is
these
about
guys-
to increase.
If these guys wreck,
Parker Kligerman's like,
Coming
I better
away,
get
I'm
up there
gonna
so
be
Derek
pissed.
Krause can push me.
They're catching lap traffic too.
Get off the
Oh,
onboard.
no.
What are we doing?
oh dude, this outside is rolling. I think.
There's a
yeah,
lap.
Parker
Oh.
Kligerman's gonna win.
No, I can't tell. Never mind.
Why you complaining about the camera work?
Because it sucks.
Oh, there they go.
Yeah, we're gonna have
John Hunter.
It's gonna be turn 1. It's gonna end the race.
Wreck in
Oh,
the
he's gonna hook
crowd.
him.
Come on, do it right now. Right now.
Caution's out, race is over.
Oh my God.
Good,
Yeah,
good,
it's
There
good.
it is, told you.
The splash zone. The splash zone.
It's over.
That's the field.
Wait. The
That's the
yellow's
whole
out.
field.
The
Yeah,
yellow
The
that's-
is out,
yellow is
yeah.
out.
What'd I
Zane
tell you?
Smith won the race.
No, I see Lawless.
Fucking field.
Wallace not
Really?
gonna win. Damn it.
No.
Really feeling like a Zane Smith
Oh,
kind of
my
night.
fuck. Back.
Fucking Tocsies.
Wow.
Oh my
God damn
$5.
it.
Don't
And the
let this
fucking
motherfucker win.
38
I
does
think
it
they
again.
might have gotten it.
They had to be real quick on that button.
Michael
There you
McDowell.
go.
I
Let
mean,
me
the,
know.
the flag man was right there, like, bro.
No, the first track was
Done
sideways
controlled
across the
anyways.
They're
line.
calling a red flag. Let's go.
The flag man doesn't matter. It's white.
Yeah, it's the lights. It's not the flag. man.
No fucking
Wait.
shot.
They're calling it.
Let's go! Yeah.
Woo! No
Yeah, we're gonna be here
fucking
for another
way.
hour. Hell
I don't
yeah.
care. It'll be worth it.
They're gonna go get tucked in bed. Wait, did Timmy Hill make it through?
Probably he wasn't in the pack.
That's awesome. Fuck you,
There's
Tristan.
no way they called that before the
God.
wow. Holy shit.
Hell yeah.
Matt Crafton
You know
hilarious.
they had their finger sat on that button just in case some bullshit like
Damn
that
right.
happened.
They ought
They
to.
probably saw
Yeah,
someone got
God,
loose
yeah.
and they leaned into the
So
button.
fucking funny.
Dude, that's crazy.
We
Was
just
Ronnie
want to
hurt
give
for
these
that?
fans a good finish.
There could have been a flip in that. We'll never know because we got the smoke angle.
No, there wasn't a flip.
Shame, man.
That's crazy how they were that quick on the button, but back when we
Matt,
had the overtime line, it took.
I was about to say the
13
overtime line.
seconds.
They're wrecking
Yeah.
turn one and
The
they wait
overtime
till
line was
turn
just an
three.
excuse to end the race.
Yeah. They wait.
Oh, Grant.
And wait till they cross it and all the safety
Our
penguins.
safety team, man. Let's go.
Thank you, AMR.
Thank
You
you,
all right?
AMR.
Can
That
I get a
A and R.
replay?
Man, we were. I can't believe they threw the yellow. Like I can't believe it.
I can't believe they threw the yellow that fast. I'm not
Yeah.
surprised they threw it.
That'd be really
I
funny.
don't think they got it until.
Watch Ankrum get to the outside, and Eckes moves up.
I don't know how they possibly could have.
Oh, right there. Yeah, they would
I
have
mean,
called
he
it.
I
must
mean,
have
I-
been on the fucking button, ready to fucking.
I don't even
smash
think
it.
the guy in charge of the button waited for the call.
Of course not. You just slap it.
Ooh, Matt got a really good photo.
Man, if fucking Lawless could have just made it.
They're a fucking high fiving right now in the NASCAR tower. Way to go, guys!
Yeah, that was great.
Gonna have a 6-car restart here.
Someone up there is like, I don't think we've ever been that accurate.
And then they're
They
gonna
must
put
have
a
a
truck through the
fucking-
catch fence, and
They must have a 13-year-old on the button instead of some
Yeah, they're gonna-
90-year-old.
Look at her get putting the yell out when somebody gets put through the fence and killed.
It was
Yeah.
out. Yeah, it was out. They got it.
Oh no, that was a bad angle again.
No, they got it. You can see the light on the fence.
I saw you.
it's a
I
good
thought
thing
when
we've
that
got like
16 got
4
burned, it was
competitive
over.
trucks left.
Oh,
Jeez,
dude.
I
They
mean,
got it. They definitely got it, man.
Riley sucks, bro.
It's gonna be down to inches.
I mean, they've got all that actual data, but
I think Matt's gonna blow up because of this.
Oh,
photo.
wow.
Oh my god.
that's fucking
Ooh.
wild.
They have never thrown a yellow that quick before in history.
We're about to sing Amazing
Alright,
Grace
so
for the
here-
fans in the stands.
Fucking bagpipes getting ready.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Somebody
God.
yeeted out of there.
Man, someone said I ain't doing this.
I'm
Not
trying to
You
again.
guys have
Oh,
fun.
that's like
I'm
lane
ready.
change before the line, sir.
Who changed
Come on.
lanes?
I think that was Timmy Hill.
This is gonna be a fucking
Oh
sitting.
god damn it, are you serious?
Oh, Matty D trying to wreck someone for 10th.
I wouldn't know.
Come on, Ty.
Who the hell's in that 15? Oh, it's the other guy.
Tanner Gray.
Are they gonna black flag Parker for this?
Locking
shouldn't.
bumpers.
They're actually doing
He
something.
shouldn't, because this is good. He's gonna leave him out. Yeah, see you later, bozo!
Yeah.
Wrestling piss, idiot.
Deuces, dude.
Go
Have
with him,
fun in the
somebody.
back.
Oh, dude, he's gonna
get
wrecked.
yoinked right here
Yeah,
in
he's
turn
gonna
4.
wreck
Oh,
himself.
someone's already got a
Oh, he
He's
lifted.
exploding. That
Oh,
thing's
Majeski.
pissing his
Come on,
shit.
Tanner, get
Oh,
there.
Majeski's coming apart.
Alright, how's this?
Eric
get
Webler
you
true. This is a Zane Smith kind of
Oh,
night.
Really was. I was just
God.
saying that. I
No
was just
shot.
saying.
Oh,
Oh!
Keep it
keep it. We're good. We're good. We're
Keep it
good. We're
green.
good. We're good.
We're literally off the track.
Oh,
We're good,
you
we're good, we're good.
douchebag!
Why?
Are you
Oh,
fucking kidding
You
me?
gotta be kidding me.
What?
Oh
wrecked?
god.
That
Yeah,
was
anyways.
so dumb.
It was fine.
Show me who wrecked.
Remember the car that
Back to the
his
fucking
right
back.
front tire is now facing 90 degrees after hitting the
Dude,
wall.
Oh
Chase
my
Elliott-
god!
2 years ago, Chase Elliott spun out in front of half the field
Oh,
here. What the
yeah.
hell?
Let's go.
Sat here for half an hour for that to happen.
He spun
Oh,
out in
yeah,
front of half
brother.
the field. They didn't throw the yellow, and Ryan Newman almost died.
Yeah.
Love it,
Like,
asshole.
what?
You know what? We're not gonna get a replay of that either. I bet.
Oh
Matt's
my
photo?
god!
No, that's a different photo.
Look, they're not on the track.
That was pretty dumb.
Like they're gonna call the caution for that, bro? Like,
Yeah, that's not. They don't even have to race through there again either. So it's like,
Yeah.
why?
I know.
That was pretty dumb.
What did we say, Eric? What did we say?
I was saying it was a Zane Smith kind of night.
Yeah, I definitely thought it was a Zane Smith night the whole time.
I said that I didn't think any other driver had a chance, to be honest.